والتدريس
Alors,
لا تاي توجور
now let's
مخزنية
continue
الاكتفاء
and
تاي حين كتجي
do
وسيسعة
the
بالنسبة
multiple.
لي تاي من الام لدوبل اكس ال. بونجور لي في سافا،
So let's
نتمنى
say
اموركم تكون
this
على
was
خير
in Java.
وبخير. دو ما بار جو في بيان الحمد لله.
But we want
جيت
also
اليوم
to
سبيسيالمون
make
نقول لكم شكرا على لي ميساج ديالكم، على لي زونكوراجمون ديالكم، سا مو توش فريمون، وهادشي اللي تيخليني نافونسي ودائما نجيب لكم الجديد.
But first, let's do our first thing first. Restart this and make it sure it is working well. I'll give it a time. And yes, now what we need to do, this one was for shaping Java, but we can also do another one for shaping another one, so that when we have this line, we also have another line graph for another language. For example, we can do this for Python. So we also do plot Crescendo index and then df reshape Python. So when we run this, we expect to get the Python, and you see it is very good. They are coming from this, they are starting from the same area, and you are seeing how where Python start doing the fame of the Python started growing around the 2017, around there. When 2014, it is the climax of Java, and we are in 2020. See, somewhere 2020 it became very popular and they started going down. So they're very good. So this is how the Python has been doing, but and Java. But now next time we shall look at how can now we need to draw multiple line graphs here, not just two, right?